is approximately 100 feet long, probably the largest fish of all time. Corner, the most powerful marine reptile, the Prognathodon, a 40-foot mosasaur.
Some Chinese dinosaurs had necks as long as half their bodies. But nobody knows how all dinosaurs really looked. This duck-like bird lived at the time of the dinosaurs. Hailu and his team described it in 2006. Sported red plumage, but the quest for color is still ongoing. It's great progress. To his delight, the stone revealed the complete skeleton of a dinosaur, about the size of a turkey and covered in feathers. It could shatter bone and drive infection deep into the wound.
Sea lions with a snake head, those are the plesiosaurs. And we find so many skeletons at
Saurus's huge head extended into a rounded, toothless beak, which is why they're known as duck-billed dinosaurs.
Species suggest how it walked.
We would assume that this animal was moving around on the ground on all fours, probably something like a raccoon.
Just after the impact, the mammals that survived had been opportunistic scavengers. But now, mammals were specializing in eating plants and seizing a niche long held by dinosaurs. It was 10 times the size of the omnivore they'd found earlier.
It had these really big incisors, much like modern-day beavers have. We think this animal was living in or near the rivers because we only find this animal in riverine sediments.
But a catastrophe may be stirring beneath their feet.
After 160 million years, the size and sophistication of the dinosaurs is breathtaking. But these creatures are the last of their kind.